Here's how to make a repeat directional or non-directional pattern. Add your artwork in the File menu by going to Place Embedded. Make sure you have a transparent background. Make a copy of some of your elements and turn their visibility off. You'll use them later. I placed everything in the center without touching the edges. You can copy and paste by clicking and dragging while holding the Alt key. Anytime you rotate, hit Enter after. Once you have filled the center, you can select all the layers and merge layers. Grab your selection tool and make sure Transform Controls is checked on. Resize your artwork to fit exactly the size of the canvas. You may need to hold down Shift while transforming to warp the distance side to side or top to bottom. Make sure all edges touch exactly to the edge of the canvas. Now go to Filter, Other, and choose Offset. Choose a value that is half the size of your canvas. Mine is 1000, so I choose a 500 offset. Once you do it, you'll be left with a gap in the center, on the top, and sides. Turn the visibility of the previous artwork and lock the layer that was offset. Now make copies and arrange the artwork to fill the center, but avoid the edges. To deal with the gaps that occur along the edges, we'll need to create a temporary background. To do this, go to the bottom of the layers, make a new layer, choose an arbitrary color, and fill it with your paint bucket. Now go to Image and choose Canvas Size. Make it about 1500 pixels. Lock the colored background layer. Select a motif and copy it over the edge. Make sure Snap is turned on under your View menu. Now grab the Marquee tool. Click and drag a selection around your artwork and make sure that it only goes till the edges. You can use the arrow key to adjust your selection. Now switch to the Selection tool and start moving your artwork to the left. Then hold down Shift halfway through. It will lock your artwork to the horizontal axis. Now you can adjust, and once you like it, hit Enter. Do the same for any gaps along the top and bottom. Once you are satisfied, grab your crop tool and carefully crop back to the edge of the background. Now go to the Edit menu and select Define Pattern. Open a new 1000 by 1000 pixel Photoshop project and select the little half circle at the bottom of your Layers palette. Select Pattern and choose the pattern there. Now select the scale and make it smaller. You can also make angular adjustments.